It was on last Thursday that Prime Minister Narendra Modi laid the foundation stone for the new Parliament building. It is to be the highlight of the ambitious Rs 20,000 crore Central Vista project that Prime Minister Modi said will become a symbol of new and self-reliant India. To be built over 64,500 square meter, it will be located a stone's throw away from Rashtrapati Bhavan, the official residence of the President of India. The 4-story building will be triangular and its interiors will have 3 national symbols, the lotus, the peacock and the banyan tree as its themes. The Parliament building alone will cost an estimated Rs 971 crore and is expected to be ready before India's 75th Independence Day in 2022. However, construction could not be started as a legal challenge is pending in the Supreme Court. Now, famous Vastu expert and Malayali Dr. Manoj S. Nair has said the design of the new Parliament building is not as per Vastu Shastra or Vastu Science. According to the Indian Vastu Science, a triangular building should not be built at any cost. He says that the design of the structure released has awkward corners and this should have been avoided. His big request to Prime Minister Narendra Modi is that the Honorable Prime Minister should review the current design of the new Parliament and he should be willing to build it conforming to the principles of Indian Vastu Shastra. Pointing out these facts, I had sent emails several times to the Prime Minister's office, but I didn't get any reply, he says. Manoj has a doctorate in Vastu Shastra and he is also the translator of Maya Matam, an ancient treatise on dwellings. He is Vastu consultant of some famous temples in Kerala as well.
Namaskaram. Today is a big day for me because our Honorable Prime Minister Sri Narendra Modi ji laid foundation for the new Parliament building in Delhi. It was one of my dream actually that India should move out of the current circular Parliament. And my dream was that the new Parliament should imbibe all the cultural aspects as well as all the cultural values of India. But unfortunately, the new design, when it comes out, it pained me that it is one of the disastrous design which I had ever seen. Even the current circular Parliament is better than this new design, according to me. Because the new design violates the basic principles of Vastuvidya. Even if we think that after construction we can correct it according to Vastuvidya, it is not possible at all. And my sincere request to the Prime Minister and the higher-ups is that kindly reconsider the design and imbibe the Vastu principles for the design of the new Parliament and kindly made a Parliament in a rectangular shape which is in 1:1.25 proportion. The position of Prime Ministers and the Ministers must be on the western or southern side facing north or east. And even the Lok Sabha members must sit facing cardinal directions. So consider this video as a request from an ordinary Indian citizen who is concerned about Indian future. The triangular form is actually it's a Shakti Trikona, it is a Adhomukha Trikona which alone cannot stand. And it is not at all suitable to create a human-made structure. Texts like Mayamata, Samarangana Sutranada, Dhara, Abhirajita Pracha, even in Kerala, Manushalaya Chandrika, these texts clearly envisages that human-made structures must face cardinal direction. In modern science also, if a structure is made parallel to the longitude or latitude of the earth, it gives more comfort and more tension-free life for the inmates. In my PhD, I proved this in Kanchi University. So my sincere request for the Prime Minister is that kindly reconsider the design and change that according to the Vastu Vidya. And one more request from my part is that kindly incorporate the Vastu principles with the building code of India also, so that it will benefit all of the citizens.
News Desk, Kaumudi English.